Okay, you've done 2 so far. You get 8 left. You got to keep at it, though. Keep at it. Don't give up. You can do it. And use your Bible if you have to. Okay, you down by 4. You got 6 left. Keep at it. Keep mowing through there, and you'll be finished in a few minutes. Hello again. You finished your quiz. Congratulations. There's 10 questions. I hope you made a good score. You can check your scoring at the end of the program here, the presentation. And thank you for doing the quiz. This is Dr. Stewart from Dr. Stewart Productions. Also look for other quizzes on a more of a deeper level or higher level, maybe Old Testament, New Testament. Later, some on U.S. history, world history, geography. I want to put a bunch of quizzes on my YouTube channel for you to enjoy, and I hope you do very well. Please subscribe. Please let others know. Please share the information so others know that there's quizzes out there. And you have a great day and have a great holiday season.